class 6. This is sum number 7. What number increased by 0.25 of itself gives 75? So this is decimal fraction exercise 28, continuing with the 7th sum. The question is, what number, so the number is unknown, is increased by 0.25 of itself, will give you 75 as the result. So the unknown number, let the number be x. We don't know the number. Now according to the problem, what is given? That number is increased by means added. To what? Added to 0.5 of itself means 0.25 of the same number. Then the result is coming 75. You have to find out the unknown number, x value. Repeating the question once more, let us take the number as x, the unknown number. The question is telling what should be this number when it is increased or added to 0.25 of itself, that means of the same number or x, unknown number, then it gives us the result 75. So we will just solve, take out the value of x, we will get the answer. So x plus 0.25 of x means multiplied to x. So 0.25x equal to 75. Of means multiplied. So when you multiply the number with x, we don't know the number, so it will give you 0.25x. Now x plus 0.25x, that means there is one x, nothing is there means one complete thing. So 1x is already there and you have to add 0.25 of it. So 1 plus 0.25 means 1.25x is equal to 75. Therefore, x will be how much? Shift the number that side. So 75. Now here 1.25 is multiplied to x. That side when it goes, it will be divided. So 75 divided by 1.25 means 125, converting it into fraction by, for point I am taking 1, 2 places, so 2 zeros, converting the decimal into fractional number. And then if I want to change the division sign, you know that if you change the division sign into multiplication, the fraction after that changes to its reciprocal. So 100 by 125. Now cancel 75 and 125 with 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. So 75 is cancelled. Now we will cancel 125. So 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25. Again, cancelling with 5 is possible. 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25, 5 20s are 100. So 3 into 20 is the remaining, which is 60. So the number that was unknown is 60. This is the answer of the question. Now next we will go to sum number 12. Now here what happens, a boy reads 0.02 part of a book daily. So a boy cannot read the total book in one single day. What he does, he divides. He every day reads only 0.02 portion of the book. Then in how many days will he finish the whole book? Now the entire book, suppose if I say this is the maths book, can you complete the entire book in one day? No, you take 1 year to complete the entire book sums. So similarly, a boy cannot read the entire book in a day. Suppose it's a story book. So he is reading only 0.02 portion. Suppose 0.20 portion means this many pages. Then again 0.02 portions, this many page. So daily what he does, only 0.02 portion of the book he covers. Then if he does this daily, then how many days will be taken to cover the entire book? So how many book is there? First of all, the entire book means the single book one book is there, and every day he covers only 0.02 portion of the book. Now the answer is very simple, but before going to that, suppose if I say that there are 10 pieces of cake, and if you daily eat 2 pieces, then in how many days if you complete the full cake? So there are total pieces is how much? 10. There are total number of cakes, and every day how many you eat? 2. So if you divide, you will get that in 5 days you can eat all the cakes. That means what we are doing, the total how many cakes are there divided by the number of cakes you eat daily, it will give you the number of days. Same way here, number of days required to read the book will be equal to how much? Total how many books he has to read by portion he covers or completes in a day. So here the total book means only one book. We are talking about how many days he will take the entire book to get finished. So one book means the totality, and every day how much he covers? Only 0.02 portion he covers. If you divide, you will get the number of days he will take to cover the entire book, to complete the entire book. So this simple division we have to do to get the answer. So equal to 1 by, now change the decimal into fraction. 0.02 means, we change into fraction means we write only the number as the numerator, divided by, the denominator will be, in place of point we will take 1. How many places are given after 0.2? So we are taking 2 zeros. So 0.02 I have converted into a fraction. Now how to solve this fraction? 1 divided by 2 by 10, 2 by 100. So it will be 1 multiplied 2, just the reciprocal, 100 by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 0. That means 50 is the answer. So 50 days he will require to complete the entire book. 50 days is required to complete reading the book. So this is the answer.